Good evening, good evening, guys. Welcome to EasyAlgo YouTube channel. So let me check my mic. So yeah, it's working perfect. So we'll start. So we'll start from BTC USDT. Before that, I want to show you something. So guys, if you are new here, so I'll just show you. So we are from EasyAlgo. So we have Discord VIP channel. Okay, we'll get a lot of things here. We will get trade setup. We'll post the charts. Okay, and every day we'll be live on a Zoom. We'll be discussing. We'll be more than 1.5 2 hours every day. And so every day we have events. You just look at this. So we have events. We'll teach how the our indicator works. Okay, we'll teach price actions. So this is our indicator. So according to indicator and the price action, we'll teach them how to trade. And you can check our EasyAlgo on YouTube. Just look at this, guys. So you'll get more than 500 reviews, 5-star ratings. So just look at this. All right. So yeah. So we'll get everything here. Like you just look at this. So we'll be helping. So new thing we have started this week. So our trader will be posting their charts. So we'll try to understand whether is it correct or no. So we're learning, and more than 3,000 members are there in our group. Every day people are joining. So this is the best community, I can say that. So yeah. So we have 3 days trial. All right, we have 3 days trial, so you can check it out description. All right, so yeah, we'll start from BTC. So BTC, yesterday I told that we have one demand zone. Correct. So we have one demand zone here, and exactly it tapped the demand zone and made a bullish hammer candle according to the H4. So H1, thus you just look at this, the same area we got a bullish hammer. So now this is a clearly reverse head and shoulder pattern. So today a UK session we was discussing that let's come here and take the retest, then we can try our long positions. Yes, and we got a morning star pattern here. So if you miss this trade, don't worry, just wait for a breakout. After retest from this place, you can take long positions with candlestick confirmation. All right, so this zone, now what we have to do, so what you are seeing this, right? So just take it till the wick. So now I'm taking this zone from this area to this this week's. Okay, total I'm covering both. It will be a safe side. Okay, so I don't want to take only this much now. Okay, we'll take till here, and remember this is a BTC super bullish. So maybe next week we'll get good trades, because this week it was a weekly wide trend X. Correct, it was weekly wide trend X, and you just look at this. Correct, so just wait for a breakout. Okay, once if it get breakouts, wait for a retracement. When it come for retracement, right, just you have to wait for a candlestick confirmation on 1 hour. See here how we got the candlestick confirmation, the morning star, and here we got a bullish hammer. So usually we will be discussing everything on UK session, guys. Okay, so there it will be a very so we'll be discussing everything, like more than 150 members, they'll join every day. So we'll be discussing on Zoom. Okay, so if you're like somebody is missing that, so we'll post that recording. So we'll post that recording in here. Just look at this. So here we'll be posting all our videos. If somebody is missing that UK session, you just look at this UK session chart analysis. So we'll be discussing all about the charts. Okay, this is the BTC. we have a very good signal. So if you miss this trade, like if you are from EasyAlgo and if you miss this trade, guys, don't worry, it's okay. We'll find another setup. Just wait for a breakout. Then from this area, you can catch this trade and targets the liquidity and weekly resistance. Okay, so the next liquidity is here. So after that, we have two liquidities. The price near 70,000. Okay, the first liquidity is near 69,575 nearby. Okay, you can say that 69,565. Okay, the second liquidity is like literally 70,000. So maybe it will take time, but yeah, we'll follow the trend. Okay, so and one more, today we was discussing about ETH. Yesterday I told here, so on 4 hours we have demand zone. All right, so I told this we have demand zone. So just look at this, exactly tap the demand zone. So now we'll go to the 1 hour. So 1 hour we got a hammer. So you can see this is a hammer or dragonfly doji. Just look at this. Market came here and made one hammer. After that we got breakout, retest. Now it's time to go. But if you didn't take this trade, no problem, just wait for another setup. Okay, now we got morning star, but the candles, what I see, there is no good volume. So we'll wait. Okay, we'll wait for a next setup. I'll be posting on Discord. Alright, these two we have, and you just remember, so whenever I mark any zone, right, from now I'll be marking as a demand zone. Okay, this is like demand zone and we call as a hidden zone. All right, so yeah, we'll move on. So WIF USDT, so the market is ranging near weekly support. So I didn't give any signal yesterday because I was not getting a good trade setup, and even JST USDT is ranging near weekly support. People USDT, it's ranging near weekly support. So even this is ranging near weekly support. Every token, just look at this, near weekly resistance. So for that reason, I didn't post any trade setup yesterday. So yeah, so this Tusk USDT. So on Tuesday, US session on YouTube, I gave the signal. I'll just show you. So I gave the signal, guys. Do you remember? So I gave, and I told that this is the first target. So achieve the first target and it's continuing. So if I show you the daily trend X, you just look at this. This is how we'll trade. See, from here, tap down, here didn't tap, but the continuation down. Today it tapped the daily trend X down. So if you use this indicator, you will understand how to trade with the trend X. It's very easy. Okay, so here we got 14% from, so where I gave the trade, we almost got, yes, 14%. This trade was successful, and I gave Jasmy USDT. So Jasmy USDT, this, just look at this till here. So my target was this 018626, correct? This was my target, this was the entry. So this we got almost 6%, 5.67%, correct? This, so I'll show you the daily trend X. So our entry was this area. Exactly, you just look at this, from daily trend X we'll take the trades. So from here all targets done, daily targets has done, reached almost daily S3. Okay, so this was the second signal which I gave on YouTube. Okay, here itself I gave that signal. And so this another indicator I another trade I gave, it was, let me check here. So here I'll be posting token, the token USDT, we didn't take any trades, so I mentioned there. So recap already, and this was the Tusk USDT, Jasmy, Ponk USDT. Okay, token USDT, let me check. Yeah, token USDT. So what we was looking, I'll just check 1 second. Okay, token USDT, we had one zone there. It was invalid. This from this area we supposed to take a short positions. This area. So it didn't. The daily trend X, like I told in our group. So here, if you which was Tuesday, this, yeah. So the Monday itself, it went very nice. Like from here and here, we are supposed to take this way, but unfortunately we didn't get a trade. And I told if somebody took, just take your stop loss. The stop loss will be very small, just above the daily trend X. But our target will be always big, like weekly targets. Like our stop loss will be less than 1% or 2%. That's it. So here we, and the next day we again got the drop. So we just started ignoring, where we didn't take any trades. Okay, so we move on to the weekly list. Okay, the TAIO USDT. Here it was ranging again. Just look at this. It's ranging near a weekly resistance, and yesterday I told it's looking like a cup and handle. So now it's looking like a cup, but we'll wait for a handle. But unfortunately it made very mess, like a noisy chart. So still we are not looking any trades. Maybe today we'll get a very good trade for tomorrow. Dusk USDT done. So UNI USDT, it's target then the second day itself. So we are not looking. ARU USDT. Here I told that on UK session you can look along positions from this area. But the challenge was the candle should reach near white line. Unfortunately it didn't reach there directly. It came down and we got a morning star pattern. So now if you want to take the trade, just wait for a breakout, then from here you can try a trade. All right, so remember, this is the zone now. So mark the zones. You can take out this candle, the green candle. So wait for a breakout. Okay, so just wait for a breakout. When you will get to see breakout. All right, so wait for a this. Okay, when it comes reversal, like here, from here just you have to see the bullish candle. Remember, target is very big again. Okay, so if I show you the weekly support resistance, the weekly trend X, and luckily we have the weekly support also, because when the market shows reverse head and shoulder, something like that, we can take. But if you want to, so if you don't want to take this trade, you can avoid, because if so, the rules usually we use, if candles are below weekly, we usually don't take a reversal trade, right? But yeah, the overall trend was here. What I saw, it was nice, like it was moving up like the previous I saw, but the retracement has started slowly, right? And this was the weekly super narrow, and here slowly it started ascending weekly trend X, only for that reason. Okay, so you can avoid this if you don't want. So CFX USDT, here it's ranging, and I marked this zone on UK session, and the second day also it's ranging here. But I told that you can take a trade from this area after breakout. So we got this, but if you didn't take, it's okay, no problem, just leave it. So we'll move on. SUI. So SUI today, if you joined UK session, I told to take a long position from this level, but it didn't reach. It didn't come till here. We missed this trade. So here we got a breakout. So this was the area to take a long positions, but it didn't reach here. You just look at this. We got a morning star pattern, started going up from this area. So no problem, just avoid if it's not getting. So BTC USDT, as I showed you the earlier, we got this setup. So wait for a breakout. All right. ETH, I told this is demand supply, and wait. If you are missed this trade, no problem, wait for a next setup. Solana. So today UK session, I gave this trade setup. So the first area to look along positions from this area, the zone. All right, if candles are coming near this white line, so from here also you can try your trades, but it reverses exactly from this area itself, and we got a morning star pattern again. All right. All right, so gold, the gold yesterday dropped, and it candle didn't close below this. It exactly tapped the weekly trend X. So just look at, this is how a trend-X work. Just look at this, exactly tap the weekly trend-X, and we got bullish hammer, retest, and almost went again from this area, 260 pips. So I'll just show you the daily trend-X. Guys, you just look at this indicator, how it works. From exactly resistance 1, it reverse market, till daily S2. So this is how indicator works. You just look at this. So I'll add one more indicator here, ATRX. So it will follow that. When you see okay, so you just look at this, and if you are a gold trader, that you know, usually we'll get a good trade, especially on UA session, correct? So everyone, they'll wait for a UA session. So especially you know that, like if you are trading on gold, so this is the UA session here. From this area it started slowly, from till like from 12 to 12, almost 12, yeah, 12, 12:32, 3:30. We usually say UK session on, especially in India, right? Like UA session evening. You just look at this, how we got this trade. So the reason why people are looking a short, the market is like reached all-time high. Every day we are seeing all-time high, correct? So this is how it works. You know, when it will work very nice, see, most of indicator, right, like all the most of indicators are repaint, but especially EasyAlgo indicators are non-repaint. And remember, indicator on work only when it will be a good volume on in market. If you see any sideways market, definitely, and it will not work. So here, so now we are not going to take any trades here, because this is a resistance. The resistance area is to book the profit, correct? We are not taking the, we always take the trade near trend X. So now the trend X, the center one, is important for us. So just look at this, till here it was sideways, but here the red color, like what it was showing, this was like it was indicating to don't take a long positions. After this breakout, it shows yes, you can take the trade now. So stop loss just below this dot, and the target, obviously previous day high, first target, the second target. And not only this, I'll just show you the previous one. This is how it will work, guys. You just look at this, market started falling from here, exactly tap the daily trend X, we got signal here, slowly started going up. You have to follow the indicator trend X and ATRX. So just I'll show you. Even here on Wednesday, so candles started morning here, like slowly started here. We didn't get any confirmation. After this breakout, we got a confirmation. Now just look at this, from here started and hit the target perfectly. So now I'll show you the magic with the trend X, sorry, indicator X. You just look at this. This is amazing. So if these candles are going from this area, so here you know already we have trend X. So it started from here. Then where is the liquidity? So this is the first liquidity. It grabbed. Second liquidity. Third, fourth, fifth. All targets done. You know how much we usually get when we see these kind of, this was the 80 pips, 120, 130, and 160 pips. So now only this, it will not help you. You need a trend X. Trend X is the key in EasyAlgo. It will work for everything. If you go to the BTC, it will work. Why I am not showing you the BTC right now? We are not finding any trades there currently, because that is a weekly white trend X. Only for that reason, we are not going to see any chart, especially BTC and ETH, because we have weekly white trend X. So we are waiting for a next week. We'll get maybe we'll get a super narrow or narrow trend X. Okay, so yeah, very first time, like I'm asking you something, guys. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, Thank you so much. And so if you want to join EasyAlgo, yeah, you can check description. Everything is mentioned there. So not only indicator, we'll teach the real trading. Seriously, we'll teach the real trading, how to take the trades, everything I'll mention. You just look at this. So everything I'll be posting here in our group. There are so many educated traders. They'll help you. So every like in our group, they'll be discussing each other's. Like if somebody's have any problem, if somebody's asking question there, so you just look at this, ask questions here. You will get. So there will be like discussing everyone there. So like you can take the 3 days trial. Yeah, we have 3 days trial. You just come there, you can see there, you will get a lot of things. You will learn price action, everything I will teach there, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for joining. So yeah, we'll meet tomorrow. And remember, next week we are getting again a weekly super narrow trend list. So this time we'll find the best setup. To be honest, this week was not so great. Personally, I see that. Pramod, you are good technical analysis. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And this week, honestly, I was not so happy with the market because I didn't find a good trade setup here. Like we have list. You just look at this. Like most of tokens ranging near a weekly support. So now, how to find a trade setup in this? It's very difficult, right? And I don't want to give a forceability chart. I want to give you guys best charts. So I'm not posting any charts there. Only reason I'm not getting a proper good chart. Yes, I was posting signal. Though Monday I gave, we got TP hit. Tuesday, Monday night I gave, it was we got TP. Tuesday I gave, it was a TP again. So Wednesday, I mean yesterday I didn't give. But today I'll find a best trade setup for you guys. Okay, don't forget to use stop loss and risk management, and remember, always use break even strategy. So I'll just tell you the break even. So now just assume I gave dusk USDT, correct? So now dusk USDT, many members took this trade. They sent me a screenshot, correct? So if you're taking the trades here, and if you're closing after reaching the some 4%, you will close some 80% or 70%. Hold that 20% or whatever you're holding, or 10%, 50%, 20%, whatever, so that it can give you still 10% extra. So keep the stop loss near your entry point, let it go. Okay, and remember, guys, so I am not the guy to sit you here at 6 hours, 7 hours giving the PNL signal with 1 minute, 5 minutes. No, join EasyAlgo Discord group, you will understand what's happening here. Okay, many members are joining, guys. Don't waste your time, just jump in. So tomorrow I'll show you the members. Okay, don't forget, tomorrow I'm going to show the members how people are joining there. Okay, yep. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye bye.